हरिओम। ये गर्व भरा मस्तक मेरा, a deep, hard-hitting and full of emotions bhajan, expressing a deep yearning for oneness with God and a desire to surrender one's ego to the divine. It is a heartfelt expression of seeking forgiveness, seeking guidance, purification, and the ultimate realization of the divine within us. This bhajan conveys a sense of humility, a sense of longing and intention to dissolve one's ego and find solace in God alone. ये गर्व भरा मस्तक मेरा, प्रभु चरण धूल तक झुकने दो, अहंकार विकार भरे मन को निज नाम की माला जपने दो. O Lord, let my head, which is full of pride and ego, bow down before you. Let my mind, which is filled with ego and vices and desires, immerse in my soul where you reside and be purified forever. As humans, we are full of ego due to births of conditioning, past karmas, and heaps of ignorance. It is said that ego is flowing through each nerve of ours. It comes in various forms and flavors, right from the basics of I am the doer, the superiority complex of I am something, to more complex forms of victim mode or inferiority complex or attachment to outcomes. It appears in every scenario, in our work, at our home, in our relationships, and we tend to identify ourselves either with our profession, with the roles that we play, the achievements that we have had, forgetting our true identity. And that's what leads to ego, a sense of separation from the divine. Whereas the truth is that there is only oneness. There is only one God, and all of us represent that God. And only a true guru makes us aware of our ego and helps us dissolve it by making us meet our true identity of a pure divine soul. The soul is one with God, and once immersed in God, the ego ceases to exist. मैं मन की मैल को धो न सका और जीवन तेरा हो न सका, मैं प्रेम में इतना खो न सका, गिर भी जो पड़ूं तो उठने दो, ये गर्व भरा मस्तक मेरा, प्रभु चरण धूल तक झुकने दो. Until I met you, O Lord, I could not wash away the dirt of my mind, the vices, the desires, the wrong habits, and my life could not become yours. I could not dedicate my life to you. I took this birth only for you, and yet I got distracted in the material world. I could not drown and immerse so much in your divine love that I should have. But now that you have found me and we have met, if I ever fall, let me rise again. Until we acknowledge our imperfections and flaws, we will never be open to receiving God's infinite grace. The grace that He keeps showering on us in order for us to overcome our limitations and dissolve our ego. But we tend to ignore it as we get entangled in the material world. But once a true guru finds us, once we get the light of knowledge, we acknowledge our flaws, our imperfections, and surrender to a true guru's wisdom. God's grace helps us only rise and rise in love with Him, leaving behind the ego and all the impurities of the mind. मैं अज्ञान की बातों में खोया और कर्महीन बनकर सोया, जब आँख खुली तो मैं रोया, जग सोए और मुझको जगने दो, ये गर्व भरा मस्तक मेरा, प्रभु चरण धूल तक झुकने दो. I was lost in the talks of ignorance and in that deep sleep of ignorance. I operated as a human being with inferior karmas and wrong deeds. When I opened my eyes, thanks to the eyes of wisdom imparted by you as my true guru, I was awakened to my true identity. And that's when I cried with tears of gratitude in my eyes, as you awakened me from this darkness of ignorance and helped me walk in the light of knowledge. Now that I am in this place, let the world sleep, but I will always stay awake in your presence and with your grace. When there is a realization of ignorance and the consequences of leading a life devoid of spirituality for so long, at that point in time, every seeker seeks to break free from the chains of ignorance and to awaken to the true nature of reality. Once awakened, we can never go back to the material world and its temporary pleasures. Wherever we are, whatever roles we play, we remain in satsang, in the company of truth, in the company of a true guru, in the company of sages, in the company of lovers of God. कैसा भी हूँ मैं खोटा या खरा, फिर भी तो शरण में आ ही गया। एक बार तो कह दो खाली जा, या तो प्रीत की रीत छलकने दो। ये गर्व भरा मस्तक मेरा, प्रभु चरण धूल तक झुकने दो। The devotee is telling God, whatever I am, whoever I am, whether I am pure or impure, but now that I have come to you and surrendered myself, and now that I seek your shelter, O Lord, the merciful Lord that you are, either send me back empty-handed or let the light of your love shine on me and embrace me. A true devotee knows that God will never separate the devotee from himself, and therefore it can never happen that God will send the devotee back to darkness once surrendered to God. And still, like a child, the devotee tries to emotionally influence God like a child does to his parent, by saying that either you send me empty-handed or let your love embrace me. Such a beautiful conversation. This bhajan is indeed a beautiful expression of surrender by a lover of God, seeking divine love, intimate connection and grace of God. Let us always stay in the company of satsang, in the company of divine within us, in the company of God in the form of a true guru and lovers of God. And let us never let our ego surface in our lives again. Let the ego get shattered, destroyed and merged into God for once and all. ये गर्व भरा मस्तक मेरा, प्रभु चरण धूल तक झुकने दो।
ये गर्व भरा मस्तक मेरा, प्रभु चरण धूल तक झुकने दो। ये गर्व भरा मस्तक मेरा, प्रभु चरण धूल तक झुकने दो। अहंकार विकार भरे मन को निज नाम की माला जपने दो। अहंकार विकार भरे मन को निज नाम की माला जपने दो। ये गर्व भरा मस्तक मेरा। मैं मन की मैल को धो न सका और जीवन तेरा हो न सका। मैं मन की मैल को धो न सका और जीवन तेरा हो न सका। मैं प्रेम में इतना खो न सका। मैं प्रेम में इतना खो न सका। गिर भी जो पड़ूं तो उठने दो। ये गर्व भरा मस्तक मेरा। मैं अज्ञान की बातों में खोया और कर्महीन बन कर सोया। मैं अज्ञान की बातों में खोया और कर्महीन बन कर सोया। जब आँख खुली तो मैं रोया। जब आँख खुली तो मैं रोया। जग सोए और मुझको जगने दो, ये गर्व भरा मस्तक मेरा। जैसा भी हूँ मैं खोटा या खरा, फिर भी तो शरण में आ ही गया। जैसा भी हूँ मैं खोटा या खरा, फिर भी तो शरण में आ ही गया। एक बार तो कह दो खाली जा, एक बार तो कह दो खाली जा, या तो प्रीत की रीत छलकने दो, या तो प्रीत की रीत छलकने दो, ये गर्व भरा मस्तक मेरा। प्रभु चरण धूल तक झुकने दो, अहंकार विकार भरे मन को निज नाम की माला जपने दो, ये गर्व भरा मस्तक मेरा। प्रभु चरण धूल तक झुकने दो, प्रभु चरण धूल तक झुकने दो, प्रभु चरण धूल तक झुकने दो।